THIRIKARI ya President William RUTO nikoretwo na gibarua kiritu gia gutetera imwe cia tabarira ciayo na ukinyaniria wacio. Minista wa KIGINA githii na mbere gukirira aria maragithia kiena KIGINA gia gukinyaniria tabarira imwe kia National Infrastructure Fund.
Usifikiri ati sasa you are going to buy some shares in National Infrastructure Fund. That's not how it works. What is going to happen is that this fund will blend their resources with the private sector. They will tell you, okay, there is a project here. This road is supposed to be done. It will be designed. This fund will be a professional institution that has people to design even projects and tell you this is the costing, this is how we are going to make money out of it, and from this you can invest.
Akiria nandikia mohoro, Mbadi ni akinyiririe thirikari ndiri na mubango wothe wa gwitirira mbeca iria ikungania kuhitukira kigina giki kuri tabarira KIUMBE, agitetirithia kwina watho wa gukira mata mieri yake kiorota mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro uri ukoretwo agiukirira mubango uyu.
I'm even hearing how do we put public funds into private. There is nothing private. We are not taking public funds. No, the law cannot even allow you to take public funds to a private entity. In fact, even the Sovereign Wealth Fund, we are creating a holding account at the Central Bank of Kenya. So these are government entities, professionally and commercially run, which are going to crowd in private sector. And some people are saying, if you allow private people to come and put money in the company, it is not, that is not how it works.
Hamwe noguo, Mbadi no ateteire kioneki gia president gia gukinyia bururi wa Kenya ginya gikiro-ini gia bururi wa Singapore. Kioneki giki gikirogwereria mithingi itatu iria nio waki wa barabara, mai na urimi wa mai hamwe na hinya uria uhuthikaga. Akiuga kioneki giki kingikinyanirio a Kenya mangieheana na guteaniria mihuhu ya aria mararegana na thirikari.
Achieving first world status, you can do it faster than even 10 years, depending on how you are committed. But if you are not so committed again, it will take us a while. So what we must demonstrate now is to believe in government first. I know that believability has gone down. I don't know why, a lot of politics around. Even things that have worked, no one wants to accept they have worked.
Mbadi aritia o riria shemanirie na mbeu njithi aria aratanya gukuruhania uthondeki-ini wa bajeti ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2026-2027. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mumbi wa Shege.